Hi, I'm Emily Wenzel with Body and Mind Enrichment. I'm a food extraordinaire and we're gonna go over a recipe today, a broccoli, cheese, and bacon recipe. The ingredients are broccoli, cheese, bacon, and onion. And the dressing is gonna be a mayonnaise base with some balsamic vinegar. All right, we're gonna blend our 4 simple ingredients together and I'll let you be the judge of your ratio. I probably have more of the broccoli, a little bit of the red onion to add some color, along with the color of the cheese and then the bacon. For the dressing, take a couple tablespoons, maybe a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, maybe a tablespoon or 2 of some balsamic vinegar, and then mix it together. You'll see it kind of change the color. And then of course you can taste it. If it's too balsamic vinegary, then you can add a little bit more mayonnaise. Drizzle that on top of your salad and then blend it together. That's your broccoli, cheese, and bacon salad. I'm Emily Wenzel with bodyandmindenrichment.org.